Okay, this street is called Rua de Cantao. You can see it right there, Canton Street. So basically you can see that there's a lot of neon lights everywhere. And then you can see all the casinos in the background. There's MGM, which is right over there. Wien Casino is over there. Fortuna, it's a casino and a hotel. Lisboa's, both are over there. And then this area, what it's mostly known for is all its saunas. There's a golden sauna right there. And we'll just kind of see what it looks like in the evening. And we're just gonna walk directly down Cantao and just kind of see what we see with the street scenes and the neon lights, and see if there's any sauna connections, if there's any evidence of that from the streets. Okay, stay tuned. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so I'm going to come over here first, and then you can see Rua de Cantao. And there's definitely stuff that we could film in the different directions, but this particular video, I'm just going to stay focused in this area. You can also see some restaurants up there too. And you can also see apartments way up the top as well. Nice circular ones as well. So lots of neon lights. So very heavy neon light area. We're just going to walk down it. I think we're going to walk all the way down to the end. And we'll just see. I think this turns into Beijing. There's golden sauna, so that's what the entrances look like. Neon lights. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Japanese cuisine. We're still on Cantao. Pharmacy. Pharmacies are very popular in this area. Okay, so now this turns into, this is Beijing Street, Rua de Peking. And I guess that's the entrance to Golden Sauna. And I think there's other saunas in here too, so we'll probably see some evidence of those as well. This is still Cantao. This is Avenida de Amizade. So let me just take a look real quick. I'll show you the street signs. So this area is kind of interesting because this street, Avenida de Amizade, is this big street over here. So they have this, all has that address. Cantao is this street, and this all has the Cantao address. And then over here we have, let's walk over here real quick. This one you have Crescenta de October 1st. So I believe that over here is what that is. But we're actually on Cantao, and it looks like, oh, it's also, it's actually, there's Rua de, it says Beijing Street, and Crescenta October 1st. So for some reason, different sides of the street have different addresses. But we're gonna nonetheless go up Cantao Street. There's a chair, somebody hangs out right there. And we're just gonna check all these out. Pharmacias. Yeah, the lighting is really nice. So I believe we're still on our target street, Cantao, and I think it does change into Beijing Street later, but at the moment it's still Cantao. Huh, there's a casino that went down. So there's a Rua de Cantao, there's a pharmacy right there. Then right there, you can see these little offerings. They do that as well. Just thought I'd show that real quick, but they do these little offerings like that. And right there too for the ancestors. So pretty cool. All those neon lights, it goes all the way down. So and that's Lisboa all the way at the end. So we're gonna keep on going down, see what else we got here. So I think this turns into Beijing Street. So that one down there is called Beijing Street. And there's also a hotel right in this area. Here it is, Emperor Hotel. And I think we're still on our target street of Cantao. Yeah, and as you can see, the people become less and less as we go down, right? So the bulk of the people are down that way. There's more casinos are down that way as well. But it looks like we got a little bit more people coming. Now we're on Shanghai Street. So this actually changed to Shanghai Street. So we're gonna come over here real quick and we'll show you. So now you can see it says Shanghai Street. So that changed a little bit. And then now we also have, so now it changed to, it's all in Portuguese. So it says Shanghai Street in Portuguese right there. And it also has Beijing Street in Portuguese as well. So now they've changed. And that's Shanghai if we kept going down. And there's another sauna right there, Emperor Sauna. So that's Shanghai. And our target street was this one, which is all the way down, Canton Street. So anyways, maybe a little bit interesting, I hope. And it's at nighttime as well, so you kind of have this nice neon light element to it as well. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna end the video. And that was Canton Street at nighttime. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.